come with us to a €6 Aire in France. So that's the equivalent of about £4.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're Becky and David, and these two are Elijah and Sunny. Together we make Sunny's Adventures. If you're new to our channel, we travel the UK and Europe in our A-class motorhome, sharing real family adventures and honest campsite reviews. If you love motorhome life, travel with kids and a bit of fun along the way, this is the channel for you.
We're currently just sat in a Carrefour, which is about 2 minutes away from this campsite that I've just found on Search for Sites. Great app. If you don't know what it is, I'll leave a link in the comments below. It's great for finding sites across Europe, in the UK, etc. Either for free or campsites, you name it, it's all on there with reviews, with pictures most of the time. So anyway, we're doing a quick wash because we had loads of stuff to wash. We've driven about 5-6 hours from the bottom of France up to like the middle area, just below Bourges, or the Bourges, however you pronounce it. So we're doing a quick wash in a Carrefour car park. There's not much here really, so it's quite nice. We've just tucked ourselves in the shade under the trees. It's about 30 degrees today. Time to pick up the drying.
Clean washing.
Washing complete.
Laundry's done, and now we're just making the short drive over to the Lac de Verlet motorhome Aire here in Saint-Amand-Montrond, which is meant to be the geographical centre of France. It's always a bit of a mystery with Aires. You're never quite sure what you're pulling into until you get there. That's why I always check Search for Sites, Park for Night, and read the latest reviews before committing. Let me know in the comments, do you trust Aires or do you prefer the predictability of a full campsite?
Right, we've arrived in the Aire and it's free because the barrier's been busted off. So I can't see any reason why we'd need to pay. So it might have been taken off on purpose, but it was a bit of it's busy here and people are parked in a manner that probably doesn't allow as many motorhomes in here as possible, but we've just found a little spot just here. So as you come in, you've got your motorhome waste service point, and then you've got your bins and waters on the corner here. So your water, and looks like your waste goes in there possibly. So there's no barrier, but it's opposite a country park. There's a McDonald's and like a bakery that does stuff, and an Intermarché and a Hypermarché and a whatever marché, so it's pretty well kitted out, even a mini library. It looks like it's next to a big nature reserve with a big lake and cafe and stuff, so pretty awesome. I'm not convinced we're going to stay here tonight though. I just don't, you know when things just don't give you a good vibe. It doesn't give me a good vibe, sorry. That's just an internal go with your gut thing, over cautious. But anyway, play park, we'll chill for now. There's toilets here too. Just up here, there's toilets. Big old lake, nature reserve, lovely.
There's a little bar right by the lake here. Looks like it stays open late too, with karaoke nights and even a DJ. Perfect spot for a chilled evening.
So the plan is we're going to cook dinner here and then we're going to head to the other camping car park. It's a paid one, but it's 6 kilometres up the road. It just makes so much more sense. It doesn't quite feel as suitable here, even though there are families here. It's just we haven't really got a decent pitch. We've got dog at the back of it, and it doesn't look like I can access fresh water. It doesn't seem to be there.
Tonight's dinner is fresh salmon and samphire from Carrefour. Going to give it a go outside with some rice. Let's see how this turns out.
Right, ready boys?
Dinner.
Ready for dinner?
Excuse me.
Good boy, Hijas.
Excuse me. Can I just get past?
So we're going to leave here now because I don't want to sleep here. Just go with my gut. I don't know if anyone does this, but I like to go with my gut. My gut says nah. So we're going to head to a camping car park. This one, which I'll show you now. It will be on the screen, which is only 6 kilometres down the road, and we've got water there as well, which we need, and we've got power. So that's always handy. So let's get there.
That's the quickest visit ever.
Yeah.
You don't feel right, you don't feel right.
Yeah, the gut says I don't want to sleep there. Even though everyone seems quite happy, don't they? People have got bikes out and everything. So That's always a good sign that it's relatively safe, but equally, I'm going to park it at Camden Car Park.
Both boys fell asleep in the back, so we took the chance to keep driving a little further north, heading back up towards Caen. And the more distance we cover now, the easier tomorrow will be. We've found another camping car park site just south of Tours. The app's brilliant, you can check in advance how many spaces are left, and there's even another one just 3 miles away if we don't fancy the first. Let's go see what it's like.
This is for a two-lot. Look, there's a little bar in that here, look. Excuse our dirty screen, I'm not even going to go around the roundabout. Do it that on this side. Looks like they've had an event on here, doesn't it? That?
Yeah.
Suspension, I can't wait to get that done. Yeah, see all this, you basically park next to this, look. It's like a woodland walk and everything.
Wow.
Just can't be. Take one.
We'll find it. You did it. Well done, Daddy. Do I have to do something? Do I have to press a button? We've finally arrived at the Esvres camping car park Aire, and let's just say the windscreen tells the story, absolutely covered in flies, and we're absolutely shattered. But we made it. It feels safe, secure, and that's all we need right now. With the boys on board, we never risk pulling in somewhere questionable. Peace of mind is everything when you're travelling as a family. This spot looks really new and well kept. Just a couple of vans here tonight. One couple sitting out enjoying dinner under the stars, and apart from that, it's quiet. You can hear the trees rustling and the odd bird in the distance. Moments like this give us time to reflect. This whole trip has been incredible so far, from coastlines to countryside, full of surprises, drama and laughs. But after long days on the road, it's places like this that help you reset. Now though, it's time to get levelled, grab some water and shut off for the night. Have you ever stayed at a camping car park site in France? Do you prefer quiet stopovers or big campsites with entertainment? Let us know in the comments, we'd love to hear your experiences. See you in the morning.
So to end this evening, we've gone a little bit further because the boys had fell asleep. So we went 2 hours and we're just at the bottom of Tours at the moment, at a lovely camping car park. So this one I think is €13 for the night. We've just got here. There's about 3 vans here in a very cute little town. Yeah, so I'll give you a tour tomorrow. For now, here's the pitch that we're in. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. It's a good night from us. Morning from a random camping car park. It's funny, when I switched off the video last night, I thought I was going to go to bed, but I didn't. I actually stayed up till about 1 o'clock because for some reason about 4 lads decided to ride the motorcycle just to this point here and sit and smoke and talk like no one was here. So that was really annoying. So I sat up and just let the kids go to sleep with Becky. They were asleep anyway, but let Becky go to sleep with the kids. I just sat and watched just to be sure, because that's what you do. But they went, and then I've had a really good night's sleep. It's a shame. So I went with my gut, and nothing happened, but it was just frustrating. Just people don't have common courtesy and respect. Anyway, interesting. I didn't realise there was a train line just here as well. So that was a bit of a surprise, but yeah, everything's alright, the sun's out, nothing's been touched, all's good. It's like a boardwalk that runs right in front of the motorhome from the town. It's my mum's birthday back in the UK. I think she's 70 today. 70? 70 today? 70 today, Beck. 70 today. Yes, 70, the big 40, 70. So happy birthday, Elijah.
Thank you.
Say happy birthday, Sonny.
I love you too. To me.
So this is the car park. We're in pitch number 11. It's really, really well laid out. We've got our electric hookup here. We're now the only people in here. You've got a urinal and a lovely toilet facility that's all nice and clean. You've got your motorhome service point where you've got your Elsan, your fresh water taps. You've got your entrance, locked bin store. You even got Wi-Fi on this one. So it's really, really well laid out, and you've got benches, picnic benches. What's also quite funny is I didn't realise I parked right next to a train line. I thought I'd be out of the way over there, but I parked next to a train line, so that was quite an interesting wake up call this morning. But anyway, let me quickly show you how nice these toilets are for for a camping car park, or just in general for free use in theory when you're here. Yeah, all nice, clean and tidy. Yeah, it's amazing really for what is this, €12 a night possibly? It's nothing, is it? I'm not put off by that last night because I felt safe and secure. But it's just it's frustrating when you're tired and you don't want to have to think about stuff, do you? We're going to head into the little town now. There's a bakery. There's actually a municipal swimming pool as well, which I don't think is open. But yeah, there's a beautiful building there, which is probably the town Marie, like the town hall sort of thing. So yeah, let's see what we can find. It's funny because the municipal police are just there. I didn't realise, so maybe I shouldn't have worried at all. Next to the site is a big river and a nature reserve. You can walk around on that wooden decking. We're probably not going to do that. We're going to get sent to eat. I've got to get on my laptop and do some bits, and then we're going to head to another campsite, which is about another 45 minutes north, between Tours and Le Mans. Looks like they've had some sort of fair or festival on, or they're planning for it. There seems to be a stage in that, in the main sort of square.
This morning we're heading into the village of Esvres on the hunt for breakfast. Google Maps pointed out a bakery just a short walk from the Aire. As we go, we're also passing the little bar we saw last night. A few people were sat out there as we pulled in.
Bonjour. So we've got some food for breakfast for Becky and I. The boys are already eating. So we've got let me show you, a jambon on fromage, bread, and then I've got like a pepperoni one too. The lovely lady in the bakery gave the boys a little sweet for free each, so we've got some cakes. But yeah, if you're here, go to the Artisan Bakery, it's beautiful. What did you get? Show me. Yummy, yumma.
We explore a little further, and then David spots something that absolutely tickles his inner child.
Does that say poopy tattoo? So I want a poopy tattoo. Look at these for roads.
We admire the quiet, winding streets, then head back to the Aire to pack up and move on.
So we're now leaving the camping car park and we're heading 28 miles just above Tours to another camping paradise site, just coincidental. So let's get going.
If you're thinking of staying in a camping car park very soon, then we would definitely recommend. This one has been brilliant, apart from the lads in the middle of the night, but that can't really be helped. It can't be helped where we are. We parked in the worst place probably, but yeah, we've enjoyed it here, so and it's a beautiful place. So if you'd like our video, please like, comment and subscribe to us, and click that bell icon to receive notifications every time we post new videos. See you on the next trip. Bye! We're packed up and back on the road, leaving the Esvres camping car park behind us. Next stop, Sonze, where we've booked into another Camping Paradise campsite. It's not too far from here, so we should arrive well before lunch. And yes, the next video will be all about that site. Let's see how it compares to the others we've stayed at so far.